Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this lesson, we will start with React and Material UI. So without wasting time, let's begin. So we're gonna use the Create React app, front end, and enter. Okay, so after that, we will jump into the front end and we'll start the server. So here we will make some cleanup. So seems like it's not working, so we're gonna type it const app when I use our function. And using fragment. And for now, let's add job portal app. And after that, we should export default app. After that, let's go to index.js. We're gonna make some cleanup. And now let's take a look. Okay, so this is working. And now let's go back. So we're gonna use Material UI. Okay, so this is a powerful framework. So this is how to install it. Okay, if you are using yarn or npm, so I'm using npm. So paste it. Okay, after that we will install the material icon. I mean this copy. So we click the console and paste again icons dash material. And now if you take a look in the package.json, you will see we have our packages. And now after that, we should bring our font. And after importing the font, we install some other dependencies. This is Redux DevTools. So to see our state in the browser, save it as dependency. And now let's jump in front end folder. So we're gonna create some folder. we're gonna need we need to structure our application. We will need component folder, pages folder, and we're gonna also need images folder. And now when we jump inside of um, pages, we're gonna create some pages, home page, and not found page. So we open the folder. We're gonna use our function, and save. Same thing with not found page. This is when we type a bad URL or URL that does not exist, so we'll get this page. So after that, we bring browser water routes and route from React Water DOM. Also, if you're just a beginner, you can read the documentation of React Water DOM. And now we remove what we have. So app will be where we have all our routes. So browser water routes and route. So route accept path and also the component you want to render. So it has element and we will pass the component. We want to render home page, and here auto imported, and we fix this typo and copy, and in this word we will pass a wild card. Any word that is not exist in our application will get this not found page. And now, as you can see, we bring our home page. And also, if you type some gibberish like another page that does not exist, as you can see, page not found. Okay, just for now, we are not going to implement yet the dark theme, but this is documentation, so you can read it before. This is with custom colors. Okay, because to implement this, we will need to bring a global state. Okay, but they have good documentation. Okay, as you can see, you can toggle dark and light theme. Okay, and now let's go back. We're gonna go inside the source folder to create the theme, but after that we will implement the dark theme mode. But for now, we're gonna need some colors to work. Okay, so inside of the source, we'll create a theme file, and we import create theme from MUI material styles, and also we're gonna bring blue and light blue from colors, MUI material colors. And now to use it, we're gonna export the theme. So when we're gonna implement the doc theme mode, we're gonna edit this theme.js file. Okay, so don't worry about it. So, but for now, we need some colors to work with. And now it accepts palette, and this is to edit the default color of material UI. And the primary is the main. We pass the blue with the shade 50, and the secondary main, we're gonna pass the light blue, and the light blue will pass a shade, 800. After that, we'll have another color, midnight blue. Okay, like so. And we save. And now we're gonna wrap everything in browser water with this theme provider from Material UI. And we also bring CSS baseline. This is like to reset the CSS. Okay, so we're gonna bring browser water inside theme provider. We'll also need after theme provider CSS baseline to like I've just said, edit the we set the style, and inside theme provider we will pass the theme that we have just created, the theme file that we have just created. Okay, as you can see, auto imported. And now we set our default colors from Material UI, and we are using ours. After that, we need the font. We bring our custom font, and after that, we are going inside the component to create um, some components like footer, header, navbar. Okay, and we're gonna use our function to quickly create our component, RAFCE, enter. Okay, and the last one, navbar, RAFCE. Okay, now this is a Material UI. So this is, you can search your component, and okay, so I think this is the one we are using, and we're gonna copy this one. Okay, we paste, and I'm gonna explain it after. So this is for materials. You're gonna change responsive for app bar to navbar. Okay, as you can see, and we're gonna bring it in the home page. Okay, but we need to bring it here in order to appear in our homepage and save. And now let's take a look. Okay, so let's go to homepage. So as you can see, it has our color. Okay, so this is our color. This is not the color of the default color of Material UI. So this is our color, and this is this component. This is from Material. Now we have already customized ours. So this is nothing too fancy. So you get the idea. You will have to copy some component from Material UI and edit them. So this is the way that it works. Okay, as you can see, app bar, this is the first one you need to create, and um, a navbar, and after that toolbar. But after that we'll need some other component like icon, container. This is like I mean a little bit like Bootstrap. Okay, and you have some icons, and the link is from React DOM. Okay, and also we can bring the palette from the use theme that we um, create a few minutes ago. This is from the theme file. Okay, after that, if all these stuffs come from Material UI. Okay, and our position is the position of a bar is static, and we wrap all of these with container. Okay, and I will go back with this, but typography is for adding, title. You see the SX props. This is for adding custom styles. Okay, this is working like styles. Okay, like style. Okay, and you pass your custom styles. And this is our menu. Okay, and dashboard, login. Okay, and logout. So now if we go back to take a look, as you can see, and this is our navbar. Okay, after that we will have to um, add our header component. As you can see, box works like a div. The default is a div, so you can inspect element to verify. So also it accepts if you are just beginner in SX props, which I've just showed you, and you can add, for example, PR, padding right. You can also add it like so, padding. Okay, for example, 10 pixels. And background color like this, PG color, red, and min height, let's say 400. So we need to bring it in home. Now we saved, so let's take a look. So as you can see, this is our header. So let's go back. But you can also add it, style your component another way. So to do so, let's create a variable style header. So it has to begin with capital R, capital letter. Style header, gonna use style like style component, but this time it's from material UI, okay? And it accept, the element that you want to style. In our case, this is box, and parentheses, curly braces, and adding your um, custom styles. Okay, seems like beige color not working, so we're gonna use background color. And instead of using box, we're gonna change it to style header. So if you take a look, as you can see, it remains the same. Also, you can do it using the theme. So to do so, after the box, you have parentheses, and it accepts, an our function, a function, and it return. So in between, in the function parameter, you receive the theme and curly braces, and you pass your custom styles. Okay, so now we're gonna style our component display flex, justify content center, and background image. So we are using backtick and URL. Okay, inside of image folder, I have my custom image. Bring it here, and in between, paste our image. Background size cover. Background position center. background color. This time we're gonna use the color from the theme. Okay, settings, theme.palette.secondary.main. And if you want to take a look, okay, as you can see, palette primary main or palette secondary main. Okay, and save. And if you take a look, as you can see here, this is our um, app for now. So that's it for this video. So guys and girls, I know you want to finish with this project, but let me finish first with the back end so that I can fully load the front end, okay, and some other functionalities. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you have question, please use the comment section and share it to your friends so that more people can watch our video. With that being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.